Hello children, welcome back to my session. 6th class English, Unit 2. In this session, I am going to complete C reading, Bamira Potanna, the Jewel of Telugu Literature. Yes, today's topic is C reading, Bamira Potanna, the Jewel of Telugu Literature. Page number 29. So, first let us discuss glossary. We will read it once. All of you open your page number 30. Remarkable. These are the meanings. Remarkable, special. Remarkable, special. Hesitate. Hesitate. Pause before doing something. Pause before doing something. Devotee. Devotee. One who is strongly interested in something. Yes, devotee means one who is strongly interested in something. Translate. Translate, to change into a different language. Translate means to change into a different language. Compliment. Compliment means make something better. Rhythm, musical pattern. Rhythm, musical pattern. Quote, repeat the words said by someone. Quote means repeat the words said by someone. Okay, these are the hard words in this. Let us start our lesson. C reading, Bamira Potanna, page number 29. Yes children, Bamira Potanna was the remarkable poet who was born in our state. He translated Bhagavatam into Telugu. He was born in Bamira village of Warangal district. He belonged to an agricultural family. His father was Kesanna and his mother was Lakshmamma. He never hesitated to work in the agricultural fields despite his interest in poetry. At the early age, Potanna wrote Bogini Dandakamu for King Sri Singhabhopala. Later he wrote Veerabhadra Vijayamulu, describing the adventures of Veerabhadra, the son of Lord Shiva. The main theme of the work was the destruction of the yagna performed by King Daksha in the absence of Lord Shiva. Potanna was a devotee of Lord Shiva. Later he became a devotee of Lord Rama and worked for translating Vyasa Bhagavatamu into Telugu, which was later known as Potanna's Bhagavatam. It is said that Lord Rama himself complimented the work. Potanna himself credited in his Bhagavatam. Yes, these are the Potanna dedicated his Bhagavatam to Lord Rama, refusing the order of King Padma Nayaka. He thought it would be better to dedicate the divine work to Lord Rama, not to any mortal king. Potanna was fond of using rhythm and repetition of sounds. His descriptions touched the hearts of the readers. Even common people quote the verses of Gajendra Mokshamu and Prahalada Charitra from Potanna Bhagavatam. Potanna is not among us now, but his work live forever and ever. His poetry still rings in our ears. Yes, it is all about Potanna, Bamira Potanna, the jewel of Telugu literature. Yes, children. So, read this at least 2 times. So, complete the question answers. Yes, what was the greatest work of Bamira Potanna? Read the lesson 2 times, then you can understand what answer should come. Yes, why do you think Potanna did agricultural work? Potanna didn't dedicate his work to the king. Why? What special qualities can you observe in Potanna's work? Children, these are the few questions. So you have to read the lesson and try to understand about Bammira Potanna. Bammira Potanna was a well-known and great Telugu poet. He was born in an agricultural family at Bammira village of Warangal district. Yes, children. His parents were Kesanna and Lakshmamma. His great poetic work was Bhagavatam. Yes, children. His great poetic work was Bhagavatam. And what is his great job? He translated it into Telugu. So it is known as Potanna Bhagavatam. Potanna wrote Bhogini Dandakamu at his early age for the king Singhabhopala. Later what happened? Later he wrote Veerabhadra Vijayamulu, which describes the adventure of Veerabhadra, the son of Lord Shiva. At first what happened? At first Potanna was a devotee of Lord Shiva. Later he became a devotee of Lord Rama. Potanna was fond of using rhythm and repetition of sounds. Why he was famous? Why Potanna was fond of using rhythm, yes, and repetition of sounds. His descriptions touch the hearts of the readers. Whatever he writes, it touches the hearts of the readers, and even common people quote the verses of Gajendra Mokshamu and Prahlada Charitra from Potanna Bhagavatam. Yes, from Potanna's Bhagavatam. As his poetry still rings in our ears, his work live for ever and ever. Yes, he is a great and remarkable poet in Telugu literature. So it is all about Bammira Potanna. So children, first before starting this seed reading, Bammira Potanna, you have to write all these meanings. Then read the lessons. Read the lesson at least 2 to 3 times. Then complete these 4 questions. Okay, it is. Let us end up my class. Now I am winding up my session. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Have a nice day.